Hello, hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. So, a couple of months ago, I did a series or like a video about all my pink keyboards to see which one you guys like the best. And I thought, you know what? Let me go the other way. Let me do my black boards. I've got a couple of those. Dude, I have 8 black boards. I do not need 8 black boards, but there it is. Anyway, I can't wait to show you what these guys sound like, so let's get into it. Let me know in the comments which one is your fave. So this is crazy. I can't believe I'm going to say this out of all my custom builds, but honestly, I like the ACO 5098B with its stock switches. So I think I'm going to take these piano switches and put them on one of my favorite boards and see what they sound like. Let me know your fave in the comments.